You did it?
I'm the chef.
Wow. Can I work here?
Bro, if you want to work with the team, you're always welcome, bro.
Have you ever wondered what African unity actually tastes like? Why the world discusses trade agreements and open borders in boardrooms? Chef David is making it happen in his kitchen. He brought his Nigerian heritage to the heart of the Gambia to start Kingsway Foods and Events. At this table, every guest is treated like royalty, and every meal is a step towards a more connected continent. The AFCTA is about moving talent and business across our borders. Chef David decided to be a pioneer of that movement. He saw the potential in the Gambian market and brought his culinary expertise to the country. Starting Kingsway was his way of proving that African brands can thrive anywhere on the continent.
My name is David Adebisi. I'm Nigerian by nationality, and I'm based in Gambia. As an entrepreneur, it has always been my dream to run a successful restaurant. And I am the CEO of Kingsway. So Kingsway started from a home-cooked meal that sells to deliver to office workers, clients in their house, and drive-through pickup. So the inspiration to always want to have something like this has always been Gambia needs Nigerian food. And I mean, I've been to a couple of Nigerian restaurants in the Gambia, and I know they don't speak the volume of what Nigerian cuisines or Nigerian delicacies would, like the standard it holds is missing. So that's the reason why I decided to give Gambia what's missing, Kingsway.
Building a business in a new country comes with its own set of trials. Moving supplies across borders and navigating different regulations takes massive patience. Chef David faced the reality of African trade, the high costs, the logistics, and the pressure of maintaining a high standard in a new environment.
The challenges there are so many challenges we have faced, overcome, and more still unfolds, which we're not scared of, because that's the reason why we're in business, to always tackle and give every challenges we face the approach that they need. Yes, there are challenges in this business. So I would say the supply of Nigerian food ingredients to Gambia is really slim. So not many, we don't have that much access to it, but we have suppliers that we still get food ingredients from. So there is always room for competitors where we can at least, probably if there are more competitors, the price of food in the market, foodstuff in the market will drop. But trust me, the price of food in the market is not really something that we're managing, and these are one of my strong challenges that we face in running a restaurant business in the Gambia.
When you sit down to eat here at Kingsway, you are treated with a level of service that matches the quality on the plate. People come from all over to experience this because they know they are getting the royal treatment.
I come from Europe to Africa, and I don't know what you people got over here, but it's just, everything by his own, is have his own taste. The fish, the soup, the okra, the vegetables, the even stews inside here, you know. So you know the way you have to do your things. It's very nice.
It's the best place in Gambia.
Yes,
You wanna eat
yes.
fufu?
Very, very
The whole
nice. I like
Gambia,
it. Bismillah.
the best place to come is Kingsway. Kingsway is the place to be, right?
Thank you very
Welcome,
much.
man. I appreciate your food too.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, welcome.
You did it?
I'm the chef.
Can I work here?
Bro, if you want to walk with the team, you're always welcome, bro. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
I mean,
On the price, you want it. On the price, man. Even the price is cheap for me.
I
200
know,
for the
right?
plate, 400.
I know, right?
It's really cheap.
Compared to how much you would spend on a burger,
Yes. I
just
was
to get
yesterday.
flowers and all that.
This what I do
When
yesterday.
you're
I
eating
was,
food, eat food that is
the burger
that's
was
just
also
that's,
good, but it's not. You cannot take it in. You cannot. That's
can't
speculation.
compare.
Yeah, you can't compare it because this food. After this food, you get enough energy to do your
Exactly.
work. For example,
Sure.
to go to the build house or
Sure.
anything. You know, after this burger, you have more hunger.
and you can fight with your wife anyhow you want, you know.
Yes, you can
You're
control,
tired, you know.
take control back of your life. You know.
I know, right?
African food.
I'm very thankful for this food.
for everybody.
Thank you very much, brother.
Yeah, na trop ça.
This restaurant is only the beginning. Chef David sees Kingsway as a regional powerhouse. This is the blueprint for the AFCTA. African businesses expanding across every capital city from Lagos to Banjul to Nairobi.
Where do I see Kingsway in the next 5 years? I mean, our dream, our goal is to like have Kingsway all over the world. I mean, in the next 5 years, these are goals that are achievable to us. To have branches in Dakar, to have branches in Guinea-Bissau, to have branches in UK, Portugal, US. I mean, it's a world of business, and we know this is possible for us to achieve this. In the next 5 years, Kingsway would be global.
To the young entrepreneurs watching, Chef David's journey is a lesson in boldness. He didn't wait for the borders to become perfect. He just started building.
My encouragement to young entrepreneurs that are looking to start something or that are already in line of business that they choose to want to do is to keep going, my brothers, my sister, just keep going, keep pushing, because there is always something to do, and that's why you're there. You're there to create a dream of your own, to make sure you're a solution to humanity. So whatever it is you're doing and it's not like it's not really encouraging right now, don't stop. Do not stop. I mean, I need you to keep going, because there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. So keep pushing, guys.
Kingsway Food is proof that we are stronger together. When we trade our skills and our culture, every African wins.
So this is a word to all the travelers, to all people that are looking to visit Gambia in the nearest future. Anytime you touch down Gambia, just know that Kingsway is always ready to be your number one go-to restaurant for the proper Nigerian dish experience. Kingsway, reality in every taste.
If you believe in a united Africa, like this video and share it. Subscribe for more stories from my travels across the continent.